So note, if C1 comma C2 are the centers of two circles. First circle S equal to 0, another circle S dash equal to 0, and R1 comma R2 are the radii of two circles. Then the first formula, if condition 1, if C1 C2 greater than R1 plus R2, R1 plus R2, C1 C2 greater than R1 plus R2, then one circle complete outside the other circle. So then one circle completely outside the other circle. Please observe diagram. So please observe, then one circle completely outside the other circle. So completely one circle. Please observe what meaning. We get four common tangents. Common tangents. Four common tangent and a non-intersecting a non-touching system. Okay, this is the first formula. So very observe, very important. Okay, C1 C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. We get four common tangents. How many tangents? Four common tangents. This is the one tangent, two tangent, this is the three tangent, and four tangents. Okay, write down. Next formula, if C1 C2 is equal R1 plus R2. So please observe the diagram. So please observe. This is the three tangents. This is the first tangent and second tangent and third tangents. So this is a condition, C1 C2 is equal R1 plus R2. That is the meaning. Then two circles are touches each other, or touches each other externally. The number of tangent, how many is there? Three. Then number of tangents, the number of tangent is 3. Please observe how many tangents? 3 tangents. Okay, next third condition, very important. Condition number 3. If modulus R1 minus R2 less than C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2. So modulus R1 minus R2 less than C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2. Okay, observe the diagram. So in this diagram, observe, then two circles are intersecting at 2 points. Then the two circles are intersecting at 2 points. At 2 points. So the number of tangents, please observe. the number of tangents is 2 only. Is 2. Okay, next last formula write down. Next, fourth formula. If C1 C2 is equal modulus of R1 minus R2. Modulus of R1 minus R2. Please observe the diagram. So if C1 C2 is equal modulus of R1 minus R2, then please observe in the diagram, then the two circles or touches each other internally. The number of common tangents is 1. Common tangent is 1. Next. C1 C2 if less than. Third condition. Fifth one. If C1 C2 less than modulus R1 minus R2. Please observe the diagram. So then one circle completely inside of the other circle. Inside of the other circle. The number of common tangents. The number of common tangent is 0. Okay, this is the most important. C1 less than C1 C2 less than modulus of R1 minus R2 common tangent is 0. Next, C1 C2 is equal modulus of R1 minus R2. So the common tangent is only 1. Modulus of R1 minus R2 less than C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2 common tangent is 2. C1 C2 is equal R1 plus R2 common tangent is 3. So very important. Write down. So go to first problem. So next exercise, first problem. Find the position of the following pair of circles. So what is checking? C1 C2 is find out distance of C1 and C2. Next to R1 R2 is find out. So write the another circle. Question. X square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 equal to 0. So given circles that is equal to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is the equation number 1. Another circle S dash equal to x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 equal to 0. In the question observe comparing equation of circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. So comparing value 2z is equal minus 4. G value minus 2 simply. 2f equal to minus 6. F equal to minus c. Constant c is equal minus 12. First center C1 is equal formula minus z comma minus f, that is equal to minus into minus plus 2 comma plus 3. The first radius formula, square root of g square plus f square minus c. Square root of 4 square plus 3 square plus 12. 16 plus 9, 27 plus 12. Sorry. 16 plus 3 sorry, 2 square. G value 2. 4 plus 9 plus 12, 25. So R1 value 5. Same as usual. Same comparing formula. So 2G is equal 6. G is equal to 3. 2F equal to 18. F is equal to 9. C is equal to 26. Center C2 is equal minus G comma minus F minus Z comma minus 9. Radius R2 is equal same formula, square root of G square plus F square 3 square plus 9 square minus 26. So 9 plus 81 minus 26. So 90 minus 9 plus 81, 90. So 90 minus 26, that is the value square root 169, that is the value 30. So R2 value 30. So first implication C1 C2. So distance of C1 C2, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So C1 value 2 comma 3. C2 value minus 3 comma minus 3. Square root of minus 3 minus 2 whole square minus 9 minus 3 whole square. So that is the value 25 plus 12, 144 is equal 169. That is the value 30. Sorry, this is wrong. So 90 minus 26 below value. Square root of 90 minus 26. 90 minus 26 is 64. That is the value 8. Sorry, 8. Next R1 into R2. Sorry, R1 plus R2. 5 plus 8 is equal to 30. Both are same. What condition? So what is the position of tangents? How many tangents are there? So in the question observe, since C1 C2 is equal R1 plus R2, the two circles touch. The two circle touched. Two circle touched each other externally. Each other externally. Right down. So how many tangents are formed? So two circles are touched each other. This is the tangents are formed. So number of tangents form 3. So it's not given in the question. Important. Number of tangents 3. Number of tangents is equal 3. Write down. Okay, next problem. So given circle, first circle S equal to x square plus y square plus 6x plus 6y plus 14, equation number 1. And second circle S dash equal to x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. So completely 2g equal to 6, g is equal to 3. 2f equal to also 6, f equal to 3, c1 equal to 14. Center c equal to minus z comma minus f, that is minus 3 comma minus 3. First center, first radius, square root of g square plus f square minus c, f square value also 3, minus 14 is equal 9 plus 9 plus 9 minus 14, 18, root 4, root 4 value 2. So R1 value 2. Next, so comparing circle formula, 2g minus 2, g is equal minus 1. 2f equal to minus 4, f equal to minus 2. C value minus 4. Center 2 is equal minus z comma minus f. 1 comma 2. Radius 2. Square root of g square plus f square. 1 square plus 2 square minus c, minus into minus plus, the square root 1 plus 4 plus 9, 1 plus 4, 2 square value 4, 5 plus 4 9, that is the value 3. First you have checked the condition c1 and c2. Okay, square root formula, x2 minus h1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal square root of h2 minus h1, 1 plus 3 whole square. Next 2 minus of minus plus 2 plus 3 whole square. That is the value 1 plus 3 4. 4 square 16, 5 square 25. So 16 plus 25 root 41. And R1 plus R2. 2 plus 3 5. So next condition, we will check the condition. So please observe root 41 is the C1 C2 value. So nearest value of, what is the nearest square root value? Nearest 6 6 are 36, 7 7 are 49. So nearest is 6. So which is the big ikkada? C1 C2, C1 C2 value root 41, nearest value 6. R1 plus R2 value 5. So please observe. So just observe 6 is the nearest value. 5 R1 plus 2 is the greater than condition. C1 plus C1 C2 greater than R1 plus R2. Or you observe? So C1 C2 value 6, nearest value, R1 plus R2 value 5. Okay. Next, the last line. So what will observe greater than condition? Therefore, since C1 C2 greater than R1 plus R2, each circle lies on the exterior of the other circle. That means how many tangents drawn? That means this is common. 4 tangents you can draw. 4 tangents. 4 tangents we can draw. 4 tangents. Okay, write down. Next problem. So given 2 circles. So comparing 2 circles. This is the first circle, second circle. What is the comparing circle? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal r square. Here h comma k is the center. That is 2 comma first circle C1, 2 comma minus 1. Radius directly right 3. This is the 9 is right as 3 square. So 3 radius is 3. Same comparing here C2 h comma k. Same comparing formula h minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal r square. So h is replaced minus 1, k value minus minus is satisfied, k value 3. Center R2 is equal 4, 9 is right as 3 square, 4 is right as 2 square, that is the R2 value 2. First distance C1 C2 is find out. Square root of h2 minus h1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Square root of h2 minus h1 minus 1 minus 2 whole square plus 3 plus 1 whole square. That is the value minus 3 whole square 9, 4 square 16, root 25 value 5. R1 plus R2 value 3 plus 2 is right as directly 5. So what observe? Since C1 C2 is equal R1 plus R2, the two circles touch each other, touched each other externally. Number of tangents formed 3. Okay. Next problem, write down. So x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y minus 3 equal to 0. So given circles, first one s equal to, second one s dash equal to. So 2g equal to minus 2, g is equal minus 1, 2f equal to 4, f equal to 2, c is equal minus 4 constant, 2z equal to 4, g is equal to 2, 2f equal to minus 6, f is equal to minus 3 and constant term also minus 3. So first center C1 is equal minus z comma minus f, that is the value 1 comma minus 2, and radius r1 is equal square root of g square 1 square plus minus 2 whole square minus into minus plus 4, 2 square 4 plus 4, 1 plus 4 plus 4, that is the value root 9, that is the value 3, r1 value 3. Center C2 is equal minus z comma minus f minus 2 comma plus 3. R2 is equal 2 square plus minus 3 whole square plus 3. G square plus f square minus c. 4 plus 9 plus 3. So 4 plus 9 12. So 12 plus 9, that is the value 34. Root 34. So R2 value root 34. So first we have find out C1, distance between two centers. Distance between two centers C1 C2 is equal square root of x2 minus h1 minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 plus 2 whole square, 9 plus 25 also root 34. Root 34, not 34. Root 34. Root 34. Please observe R1 plus R2 is equal R1 value 3, R2 value root 34. So root 34 is the nearest value. So 4, R2 value change. 4 plus 9 13, 13 plus 9 16, that is the value 4. Root 16 value 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 only. 7. Same as usual, and R1 minus R2 is equal modulus of 3 minus 4 also find out minus 1. Modulus is always taking positive 1. So therefore what condition applied? Modulus R1 minus R2 less than C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2 7. Therefore, the two given circles intersect 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 each other in 2 points. How many points? In 2 points. In 2 points. That means number of tangents 2. That is the diagram. Two tangents. Touch only two tangents. Right now. So given circle S equal to S dash equal to. So you can directly write C1. 2z equal to minus 2, g equal to minus 1. The formula minus z comma minus f, that is 1 comma minus 2. Circle C2 minus z comma minus f. 2z equal to 4, g is equal to, that is minus 2 comma 3. Radius r1 equal to square root of r square plus f square plus g square minus c, that value 4, that is the value 1 plus 4 plus 9, that is the value 3. Same, r2 is equal square root of minus 2 whole square 3 square plus 3, 4 plus 9, 2 square 4 plus 9, 13 16, that is the value 4. First, distance of c1 c2 is equal square root of minus 2 minus 1 whole square 3 plus 2 whole square. So square root 9 plus 25 root 34. Root 34. The nearest root 34. R1 plus R2 I explain. R1 3 plus 4, that is the value 7. So then modulus of R1 minus R2 is equal 3 minus 4 minus 1, that is the value 1. Same form. So therefore modulus R1 minus R2 less than C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2. Therefore the given circles are intersecting at 2 points. Okay, right now. So root 34 nearest to value maybe 6, nearest to value 6. So that means, so 1 less than 6 less than 7. So this condition is followed. Okay, right down. Next problem. So please observe. Find the number of possible common tangent that exist for the following pair of circles. So given circles, same, s equal to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. So comparing 2z equal to minus 2 minus 4, g value minus 2, 2f equal to minus 2, f equal to minus 1, c value 1. First center minus z comma minus f minus into minus 2 comma 1. Next, first radius r1 is equal square root of g square minus 2 whole square f square minus 1 whole square minus c. So 4 plus 1, square root 4 plus 1 minus 1, that is root 4 value 2. So r1 value 2. Next, second circle s dash equal to x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. 2z equal to minus 6, g is equal to minus 3. 2f equal to minus 4, f equal to minus 2, c value 4, center 2 minus z comma minus f, center 2 3 comma 2, radius second radius is minus 3 whole square plus minus 2 whole square minus c. So 9 plus 4 minus 4, root 9 value 3. So R2 value 3. So condition you should follow. Distance of C1, C2. Distance of two centers C1, C2 square root of H2 minus H1 whole square, 3 minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 1 whole square. That is 1 square plus 1 square, 1 plus 1, 2, root 2. R1, R1 plus R2, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So root 2 is not exact value. So again find out the value of modulus of R1 minus R2. So modulus of 2 minus 3 minus 1. Modulus always positive is taking positive. What represent 1 less than 5 less than is not come. Root 2 value 1.414. That is root 2 is less than 5. So what condition is followed? Therefore, since modulus R1 minus R2 is the 1 less than root 2 C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2. Okay, write down. What represent this condition? Find the number of tangents. The given two circles intersect each other in 2 points. How many points? In 2 points. So therefore, number of possible number of possible common tangents common tangents common tangents that can be drawn to the circles are 2 okay, write down. So how is the draw the diagram? So please observe. Two circles intersect at 2 points. This is the one point, another point. So two circles drawn. How many tangents? Only two tangents. Okay, write down. First circle, second circle. Okay, next problem. So do homework. These three problems. So this one is simply identify center minus 3 comma minus 3. Center 1 comma 2. So radius is equal. First radius is coming 2 and second radius is coming 3. What represent? C1 C2 condition is greater than R1 plus R2. So C1 C2 distance is root 41. So root 41 is less than maybe 5. 3 plus 2 plus 3 5. What represents? Since C1 C2 greater than R1 plus R2, the given two circles do not intersect each other. The number of possible common tangents that can be drawn above the circles are 4. Do not circles. Is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The next third one. So this one simply identify center is 2 comma minus 1, center minus 1 comma 3, and radius is equal same 3 comma 2, 3 2. What condition in the following? Same condition. C1 C2 greater than R1 plus R2 as usual condition, same number of tangents. 1 minute. So please observe C1 C2 is C1 C2 is equal to maybe is equal yes is equal C1 C2 is equal R1 plus R2 condition. So the two circles touch externally and the number of possible common tangents are 3. ఇలా వస్తుంది 1 2 3 same. Center, please observe x square plus y square is equal r square form. Center 0 comma 0, radius 2 square, that is the value 2. Center 3 comma 4, radius the value is 3. C1 C2 is C1 C2 condition, maybe C1 C2 same is equal same common dimension is equal R1 plus R2 condition వస్తుంది same as usual follow. Okay, do homework. So next